people. Wanna look? Nothing left. Good yard, watch out. Oh God. I could just do it organized, yeah?
Yeah, if you know where line there. Where line there.
From the side.
Jamari.
Do one line. Hold on, Sharon, hold on. Get a one line. Jackson, hold on. Quick get a one line.
Our line there.
Hold on. Where could the line, yeah? Go to the side of the case, get a water. See them. Yeah. But we're done with the inner, so we'll just come on there. You get grocery? Look, your feet up here.
Somebody got in the top.
Stop.
On top of our shop.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Morning, well. Blessed love, guys, blessed love, good morning. So, you know the thing goes, guys, this is the morning we're going to head down into Westmoreland, to give us some care package. This is the morning we're heading out, so we're waiting on 2 vehicles to arrive, and then now we're going to pull out as well too, so I got my mom here as well too, and her husband, and we got also the team members out, we have Baja here in the morning now.
Yeah.
Baja there. Yeah, whoa,
Yeah, man,
Liquor granny, ready. Great. Oh, God, you're never dead.
Mommy Michelle is here.
For the great Sparks.
Sparks put on the weight,
One love,
130 grams.
Big up on yourself, my people, man. Top of the morning, you see me, I say, yeah, man, a one team, dream team, man, and we have a roll out in the morning, yeah, mad and cross, brother. God, the people them need to get support, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man, that is the mission we're on this morning, man. You see me, I say? Dream team, one team.
And Prefect is here.
Yeah, man, big up one people. Because I don't know. Good, they don't know a dream team, I represent, you see me?
Yeah.
So once you see me in this, and the work we go perform with people, so I love and love only.
For
Bless
sure.
up, you see me?
For sure.
Yeah, man.
Don't me lie now. Here.
Yeah, man, cool, man. Don't know it.
We have Rasta Jackson is here.
Yeah, every time, respect every time. Good morning, yes, dream team, huh? Yeah, loving every time, extended family. Yeah, we're on dream team there, live, huh? Loving every time, big up in yourself, keen alive, huh? Yeah, loving them.
Boom down the mic.
Yeah, I want to say dream.
One love.
Don't let them pick up. Don't say dream and not pay asleep.
Yeah.
Dream team, one team.
Team is
We have Arias as well too.
Bless love, one love.
dream
team, one team. Real team, one love.
So guys are waiting on Esther to come out as well too.
Just look. How you see? None of them are asleep. One just look out the dream.
Yeah, so we're waiting on Esther to come out and the two of them to pull up. So we can just head out right now. Ken was going to be at the journey, so yeah. So we want to make sure so we reach it nice and early so we can do what we can do, and then to head out back, as soon as possible. Okay, when them players come on, when it comes on to the traffic and everything,
Not really like our party.
It comes
Yeah, we just get traffic.
Oh, what, Cairo?
You got a 5 kissing.
Oh, Teresa here.
Morning.
Oh, Cairo.
Look at look who's
Uncle Kino, what's up? What him say?
Hello, Uncle.
How you doing, my nephew?
Yeah.
I love you too. God.
You don't want to see granddad.
Shayara.
You don't want to see granddad.
Shayara is here.
Granddad.
So one is nuclear.
Look at granddad. Look at granddad. Have you seen granddad? Nah, see. You do this. You can't. Oh, that's
So one. Alright, so one of the vehicle here. Yeah. Eddie.
Eddie say I burner. You make sure you wake early.
I burner. Make sure you have energy drink, you know, Eddie. Yeah, you have a Red Bull. Alright, guys. So Eddie here.
One team ready for the road.
Yeah. And we there and Esther on the same color.
Yeah.
From them times. From last year, sunrise. The cling it, you know.
Wait at work. I work a week. I was tax color. That's how it. But you have your Kina.
Yeah.
That's right.
Oh, grandma is here. Grandma is here, guys. Saying anything, mama is out.
Out.
Eh? No, man, at the video, you're on.
Oh.
You know, mama is out. So even grandma is out. Grandma is rolling.
Tino.
Eh? Oh, Cairo? Yeah. You saying Cairo?
What do you say? Look. Oh, Tina's on the camera.
What's
Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carol.
Yeah, guys, welcome to Cairo YouTube channel. His name is Cairo.
Cairo.
What is this?
Better believe.
So you got.
Got by YouTube.
You got by YouTube. Cairo.
Ah, morning, Yaga. Driver. You're minutes late. Minutes and minutes late. Come and load up. Oh. Peck, how you doing?
I'm good.
You having your tea?
Yes.
Okay, Peck having your tea. And I put the seat cross there, so.
No, not that one.
That one there?
No, one black one there, right? Not that one. Thank you.
Up at top. You can leave the box in the shop there, so. Which part
I
is it?
threw it back, man.
Shoot it right back to me. Me I look for the seat.
Yeah.
Are you seat me I look for?
The seat, so on your right there, sir.
Take up that black one there.
You can level down, yeah, right.
So, go on cross, so I go on cross. Perfect. Give me another one. So you will see them in 1, 2, perfect. They're coming over here, sir. I'll go over there, sir. So somebody can sit down for the bag too and utilize it.
Respect, you know. Understand, Eddie?
Okay, don't mess
No, the people
Don't let someone.
So I want to left. Whoa, chef! Come now. You want to go with Eddie?
Eddie?
Oh.
One Eddie I roll. Could I roll Eddie?
Oh, Shara and Shakara and Daniela.
I roll Eddie.
No, 3 alone Eddie can hold around there.
Oh, 3.
Are you want to sit down on the bag wall?
Yeah, man, I mean, I got to sit down here.
The cross seat that I see me now.
Are you done, Mister?
So prefect, well now you can sit up on the bag here and hold out the door, you know.
Yeah, man.
And have more space there, so. So, now roll it, Eddie. Could you chop up this so long? Yeah. Left go. Yeah, you have to go sit down on the bag there.
Them left chunks, Craig.
Esther, you bring out about the flashlight? Alright. How is this then? All alone. All aboard?
All aboard.
That lag?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Sure, that's Shaki.
Alright. Yes, yeah. Ready now.
Shove the straw, work hard there.
Sit down there, sir. We go reverse. Sparks.
Yes,
another thing going on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Mama,
yeah.
Yeah. Scientist.
All right. Yeah, man.
Yeah, we can go on so. And we are going left and come back out on the main. Yeah. Let us see. Alright guys, so we'll make a stop to pick up one of our friends that's going to, some Jamaica people like this.
Finally.
Chubby.
5 years?
Yeah, man, go 5 years.
One never meet it, lock the gate, let's roll.
Let's get and let's roll.
Yes, what's your way around? That's the side.
Come on that side. Right. Mommy, wait. Let Mama go over a little bit. Ready or no? Alright guys, so we stop off in Mandeville to let you know we're in Mandeville. We just make a stop off at Mandeville so everyone can get to use the toilet and everything, because them drink a lot of water and everything. So we make a stop here in Mandeville. I like your Punky Brewster hairstyle, Daniela. Punky Brewster. Tara Lee Peck.
Yeah, that's me.
Mommy, this is Tara Lee.
Yeah?
Tara Lee says she want to be a part of the team.
Oh, you mean?
I know she can't get her shirt.
I know she not get her shirt.
Yeah?
But me not have no shirt.
But wait, I'm saying, put your quite in so. Yeah.
general, you know. Yeah, man.
Where you mean by from?
See him already, man.
Which way I see?
Up on Bokeh already, man. Never Bokeh.
You never book him nowhere, man.
You know, I'm surprised from day one from Jamaica good life.
Yeah, man, that's what I see already, man.
On the video? On that time with Wayne, you know him name? Randy.
Randy, man.
Day one, man.
Yeah, man. Push there.
Oh, no, not the other farm. Eh? It'll come off. Yes, morning. No, I Westmoreland we are going now. We have some surprise for you. Come through, Lambert.
Always I drink a whiskey, that's all me want.
Eh?
Where are you, brother?
Go on.
We there, take it easy.
I would have laid the on you, sir, and a purse here.
Lord God!
I would have laid there.
Holy shit, mommy. What on? Aye. So now come back and look for me in the evening?
I Westmoreland we are going now. But give us some care package.
Alright, don't go and go hungry or nothing. You have some there?
Yeah.
You have some remodel and up running now.
See it, man. Don't see the finish?
Yeah, man, the finish completely now.
Alright, we catch up then.
Yeah, right up, you know.
Yeah, man. Peace
Take
out.
care, mommy. Alright, everything good, man.
Yeah. Burn.
You see the biggest house around here? Look up on the hill up there.
Right to your right?
Yeah, the pink one.
I want to way up there.
That one there?
See there? The big one there.
But we probably go through some nice house around there still now.
A kaya place.
So you know what the lady video said just come about 2 weeks ago and came here to show me everything I want and back up her.
So guys, the Rasta that we just saw, that is Lambert, you know, when you see me and Dave used to come down here. That's where we was staying also. And from Jamaica Good Life Days, Randy Pattinger.
Let's come look for the place.
But don't you have some nice house we're going to go through still. Gone.
Yeah, Bell.
Look over there.
Good.
We are coming through Alan Bamble. This is Alan Bamble. This now.
This is when like me.
This was Alan Bamble.
Was. Guys, look at was Alan Bamble. Yeah. So, we green now.
Remember back in the days, all them place are shady, you know, when we had.
Yeah, right. From what I see there.
Shady.
See that Springbok green already, man. Enough for them. So guys, this is Alan Bamboo. So look at Alan Bamboo stay.
Come back across the road.
Yeah, man. See them then they already bad.
That's so bad. Yeah. So Alan Bamboo.
Before, no.
Yo, one time when you come into Alan Bamboo, them place are cool and green and I see no sunlight at all. You're not even going to see one sunlight.
Reach us up and home game and I'm so rich and West.
Yeah. Then you go up to the fish spot.
Big water.
Yeah. Come before the storm, when you come through here, man, you will never see one sunshine coming in. Look different.
No, you would know, sir.
People say you can recognize the star, man.
All the wires fall, we go trouble, and that's how can't believe what it look. Wires fall, look at way, I really wonder if wires fall that way I look, man.
You say bamboo them up saying and them take them and carry them over some down.
Them could have make a shack with them, so look a house with them.
The bird good quality.
Bamboo?
Yeah.
Cut my sign, Alan Bamboo sign, bend up. Look, so them so that when I come over bend.
Room them. I'm a room for them. Why I just feel like the people them traumatized right now. Just to come through that so they kind of feel like I must come out like trauma.
Hey, you got to come out to me when it's not rain.
Yeah.
And if I go to the start, every time it's start, we get ready for rain, it's like that. Make me feel away, yo.
See that?
Like, and it's trauma.
Yeah. Look at this. Alan Bamboo is down, like literally down. You know what did I rather full of traffic, you know? When I'm that clear about peer traffic.
All the good thing, you know, is that barbecue, you know, with the pan road, a proper one from long time. But it just does have some liquor bumpy.
I just cause them patch it.
Yeah, but that's but the surface is good.
When they are like them, I will watch like yes, they say, he got fixed. I'm more time here say, yo, them people are wicked, man.
I don't know what I will cost them. How them lock off a buster.
What shall I post that? Right up on the gas station.
I want to look at that. The companies. Yeah.
Nice, so wires fall, they back that way there, you know. They go so and go back. So you see Badger says he has to brown over the side there. Because my wires fall, they back in this side.
Wires fall, they read that?
Yeah. What is the road mode? What I say, boy, it's like how Index steel, brown. Just imagine how Index steel.
The salt, they take up from the sea, you know. You know, the salt water, them says like a monster living out of the sea, you know.
Yeah. Them say you have storm surge. Them say in a Santa Cruz alone there, you know, it have 5 feet out of 1 foot.
Nah, like, the place look away. Place look away, nah, like. Yeah, light post is down by the house. So don't you get by the light, though?
No, so you see the post them lean. We put up light on them.
You have to change out the post.
BT never get the iron and the concrete post.
All the concrete posts they
watch this now.
Broke out them. Remember the earth gets saturated, you know, so enough for them about
Yeah. Chat house over there, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Hey, come like the storm just hold the place and ring it, you know? Like when you ring a raga.
Yeah. I was a slab, I was a slab. That's the way it's from.
No, pass the turn already.
Pass the turn already?
Yeah.
gonna come out.
Where? Yeah. No, probably that look out feet. Yeah, look out for the side. Because with them middle quarters.
One of the most quietest in a key grave.
Middle quarters.
And living there, you know. Every light post a bed.
All the tree them are bend.
It's like a
check. Everything are bend. Alright guys, so on the way we just saw two persons. Literally we're just gonna give them 2 care packages and head on. We're gonna stop on the way. We're here, you know, in Westmoreland, but we're gonna head to White House side. You know, but first we're just gonna give these 2 care packages to these 2 persons. And then we just head back on. Quick and fast. But look at this, look at the place, man. The place is deserted. You know, there's no light, nothing at all around here, nothing. Nothing at all, guys. You know, cause you know them say we're not supposed to stop on the roadside and thing, but yeah, listen, you know, sometimes we have to just take certain risk, you know, because you know, put our faith in the Almighty, you know, but also we roll with caution. Also, you know, but people must begging any vehicle that pass, literally, you know. So we're just gonna just give them 2 care package and just head on and see them here. You know, we're not. That's right here on the meeting. You know, I want to make us stop. I want to make us stop, you know.
Oh no, I want to make us stop.
Yeah, it was a you the 2 care package.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Because we are head on.
Yeah. All right, thank you. Yeah. Yes, man. All right, thank you.
Oh, let me see on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay, hi. Me always watch something on YouTube.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Thanks, man, for always watching. So, how bad the people don't feel it down here, so?
Oh, bad.
Bad.
We mash up, man. We mash up. Rough, man. Rough.
I'm not getting a light yet though.
No, what's it next year?
Next year.
Next year, they say. Next year before we get light, yes. And we have sold our light and then we not even had them. When they give up, we never did it. So we have no little flashlight, but they give you one.
Yeah,
little flashlight them.
Come, follow me. We give one flashlight.
Yeah.
Eh?
Place dark. Sometimes in a place and the place dark, me and if somebody will come in for me.
Like that, though.
Yes, man.
Yes, yeah. So, they never come down here to give out in a flashlight or anything?
No, we never get none. Never get none. We get 2 chapal. The chapal in there not good. As the rain fall upon them,
yeah.
And then sit there, and then the sun catch upon them, they just rotten up.
Rotten up, right?
Yes.
So often people come giving like any support, like care package or something?
The care package get come to it, but they don't come through here. They go other way.
They go other way?
We have to talk about before they pass by, they come from up so. We get, only for weekend and for Sunday we get good. For weekend and Sunday, yes, we don't get in our way. Because if they don't put in our way, they send them off to go work.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they must move, they must continue on.
Yeah.
Sure man, what go on?
Yeah, but they're on a mission team like you.
Yeah man, cool huh? Because we end up in the Beast Spring.
Yeah.
We'll give them some
me have some bridging up there, but on the other side of me I go, you know.
Other side I go?
No, but me have some bridging up there, upper Beast and Spring, right up at left hand.
Yeah?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, up there I go man, right up at the spring side there.
That's
Man. Yeah man, big up.
Boom!
Boom! Yeah man.
That's it there. No, I'm not no more weed.
I give them one. I saw a lot of light. Cool shot man. Come. Oh. See this? Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, cool.
I'm figuring them out now. When I care about them, it's not no more.
You want to care about it? Come back to me here. You want to bag them? Yeah, I'm more. Take out 2 of them.
Respect you.
Yeah, man, respect. Yeah? Me, man.
Yeah, man, thanks, yeah?
Yeah. You want them. Alright, cool. Everything. Alright, no more. 30. Alright, there. 30 go, no more. You can get there. Alright, move now. Movements have job people. We can move there.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Bless you. Alright guys, I know as soon as we stop, there was other people that approach. They want some care package also. You know, so. Hello? Yo, we're not that far now. I probably over there. We're in Westmoreland, you know.
Now come to in the bar.
We're at Tobar there, you know. Yeah.
Oh, that Raman?
Raman, yeah. We're at Tobar now.
Yeah.
Raman!
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, we're at the fish place.
Yeah.
So they're about 5 minutes from the fish place. No, they're 5 minutes with them. Yeah, 5 minutes out there.
Oh, son get wicked now. All of the children then. Hey. American school bus then. Must them have the American school bus then when hey, they see the fine them. Mama, you really know your place.
One time you couldn't see up on the hill, but now you can see it. So we said Eastern Spring there. So
left.
Oh, so behind the hill then we are looking on.
Yeah.
Behind the one there. Because boy, you're not going to see so much house at all up there for. About these times.
Yes, the shell remember speak that we have whole house of the Akeynote different from upper left hand.
No, a shell you see now.
Yeah, shell.
They have fresh soup and what them build new stall man. Like
Sean Paul.
Yeah.
Sean Paul
build yeah, come and see my car fly and
Sean Paul.
I build up like man. Yeah,
that's nice.
When you stop there.
Look for the house them the fan leaning there.
Where some of the Akeynote?
Bada. This is the spot where you get fish, everything, seafood.
I used to pick come the daily.
When?
Me hear daily say the border. I'm say the border between St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland. I'm say where them eat fish.
Sean Paul, come pick out yourself. I met them.
Oh, after Melissa?
Yeah. Sean Paul.
Oh, I'm build back them something for them.
Oh, whoa. Oh, are you? Yeah, bleed.
Yeah, man, too much squeeze on a bomb parent or someone.
Mommy there, soft mommy.
That's what I get.
Lobster. I have lobster. What you want? Can I soup here? Lobster fish soup there, sir. Where do I go?
Where say you want, mommy? The lobster?
Yeah, me want a lobster. Which one? Me that?
We have fish soup there. Yeah?
Try come out and sun look a bit.
Charlie also, they might fix back over there soon.
And the house they near the sea. I'm going to great name there, that side of the shingles, finish, but the them try to stick. That's a dangerous place to build a house.
Are them the Airbnb them?
Airbnb.
Yeah. Actually a business that's why.
So they bring it up.
Yeah.
Shingles like that. Love it.
What we can get?
Best steam fish. Best French fry lobster. Best escovitch fish. When I come season, we have it locked.
So them call it coolie man, you coolie?
Long time now, we can't change it. We change it with a problem.
Oh. So boy, I tell you, I want to get affected down here by this time.
Rough, terrible, bad. Any word can describe we're bad. Wicked. Monstrous.
So you live deep in Westmoreland or on the outskirts?
Yeah, we don't right on the border of Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. We're just 2 miles from here, so.
Oh.
So we feel the same impact like any other deep west or St. Elizabeth because I ball of this, you know. So I just saw the eyeball jump.
Yeah. So you get damage as well?
Yeah, man, we got damage, man. House stop, tear off, window lick off, door lick off, the bus glass, back and front glass, mash up. Nobody no spare. As long as you're alive on the earth, in the southwest, no spare. No doubt about it.
No doubt, you understand, man?
Yeah.
So the work is set out down here, boy.
Yeah, man.
Set out. Go on, wait up then. Coolie man.
Yeah, man. We're doing a
guys, I don't know when I pass through, and it's a coolie man.
Up and running. Coolie man is back. Up and running. For the best French fry lobster. Have it. Steam fish. When I come season, steam conch.
Yeah.
I always have escovitch fry fish. I have it covered.
Which part your station there for when them pass?
Yeah, you know. I just show all I start them the demolish, you know, so. Them come and go back some new stars, so we name the go pit. But normally, we name it up and running.
Alright then.
So if I come and say coolie man, up and running man, him there.
Alright then, cool. Big up yourself, coolie man.
Tell home girl come check me.
Yeah.
You want what? Check your one.
Wow. Person drinking fish tea. Cut the thumb off, you know?
Yeah. Back from the chest,
Yeah.
Tree beans.
So you know.
A bit watery.
No, so them is like.
Give me one of them, in general.
Give me the lobster one.
Give me the lobster one. Give me a lobster one.
Sorry.
Yeah. 24. You wanna get now?
Get 24.
Where's spoon number one?
That one thing. Me no want soup.
Come here.
Yeah, I find anything. Remember, same thing damage me.
Okay. I'm not get nothing like that again.
Sorry, 2 lobster.
Everything damaged right now.
Yeah, man. Just do it.
Come on.
Look like Akeynote.
I don't know viewers. She's coming out. Alright then. Oh, I can't hear you.
One side I shoot.
No, I said I know you by your YouTube thing.
Oh, big up yourself.
I saw him just now and I said, where you going from?
Wow, chef.
And then he was telling me, says, Akeynote.
Oh, big up yourself.
I thought you
know
was
the film when my brother used to play cricket, Heinz.
Okay.
Yeah, from England though. Okay. So when I see him, I say you look like him, you know.
I thought you was away because the last time I saw you,
Yeah,
was going away.
I came back.
Oh, okay, alright.
Okay,
I haven't watched it for the
No cover.
We have no
cover.
internet or whatever. Yeah.
Okay, where is that?
That's St. James. We're from
Oh, is down there badly damaged as well?
Not as bad.
Not as bad.
But not where we are.
Yeah.
What it
Not bad.
Okay. They're nice meeting you, yeah? General. Big up, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, respect.
No papi off. No se
Yeah, man, enough love and bless up, man. Yeah.
Biting it around. All them say movements of job people. Alright, come mama, come go in that car. Is it? One bite around and they swim around?
Yeah. Because if we stop and eat me right now,
yeah.
so we're good. How we live, you know? Yeah.
Alright, time to start to move, guys.
Open it, mama. Pull it now. Oh, my can't manage to pull it.
No, it never pull.
Hit the pull, man. Wait, make Chubby come in first. Come in, Chubby. You come in first. Alright, guys, so we're going to head on. Because I know we stop at the bar now, so. Oops. Let's get some fish. You know, one of them things there, so. Everyone can get something to eat, you know, whether they're doing food or anything like that. So we'll just grab some of those. So how it goes. So that's the best thing to do.
Eat that, but you want water?
No.
Can it say I will come 2015 and will come back now? Him come, yes. I think he'll come down.
See what they're there?
Yes. That's it there?
Yeah. See there? You can't see up there now.
Yeah, because them say you can't see.
See there? You can't see right up there.
What you want?
I create them in that part.
The men are working, the men are part.
I create them.
See one day that they don't see them. They wait for me.
Yeah, I'm up the whole line there, so.
Right.
Mama said murder. But guess what, Mama, it'll grow back.
Yeah.
Look at your tree, I strip off enough.
Nature will always recover. Nature will recover, you know.
It's right now we're in the middle of the forest and the forest become.
That man, I give me.
Give way. Bike to our park.
I mean, bike him ride.
Thank you.
How them? How them?
So guys, as you can see, we're approaching
Eastern Spring.
Yes, and this is where we spend a lot of time as a young youth growing up. My grandma, she born here. My grandma born around here. Mama, she born around here. Around here, born?
Yes.
Mama born around here. So you know, mommy always come a country.
Regular.
And that's
from
how.
a child up.
Yeah. And then that's how I used to come country. And the summertime, you know, till me I'll knock out a country. I run down the hill and can't stop. When the frog jump off of me.
Kino knock out down your tip, them call me, I say Kino dead enough.
Yeah.
You don't know, I said what? So me know the hill where Kino jump off up top side of Raffy House. I run from Bullfrog head up from town. And drop now, him drop.
And that I wrote the frog spit pan name Doppel Vaden. You say how can Doppel Vaden? Can I Vaden here, but how can Doppel Vaden? Can I dig out the frog out of the hole and the frog, one black frog, you know, spit to him white something on him hand.
Same time the frog jump out now towards me. But through up on the hill, nigga. So me, you know, just like a run off. And can't stop.
Can't stop run.
Yeah.
And downhill. Be a big stone. Big rock, you know, straight for him going up. Lick out him chest.
Yeah. Running down the hill and can't stop.
Knock out, you know, them saying, him now wake up. Me say, what do you mean him now wake up?
Knock out, you know. I force me to knock out in my life. When I wake up, I don't know nobody around me. Nobody, I don't know at all. And the whole night, Rafi come check for me every time. Rafi come with the flashlight and I check if me alright.
One thing with him. That's how it's a road where them can make go up.
I went to London. I take the land.
Guys,
and
for which
place is a mess. I'm not even lying.
this up. One house up there. A Jai sell it. Yeah, never.
I saw them there. Yeah.
I seen sweet came a book yeah, I come down. Up on the hill now.
We come down that.
Yeah. I see New River. Yeah. You see New River. New. Come show me, General. Go show.
No, never.
Guys, this is the New River. New River. Yeah, type New River. Beast and Spring New River. Yeah. Look at the beast and look at the place, look man. Yeah. Look at the place. Beast and Spring New River. Look at this. This is come like a rag, you know a rag? You just wring out the rag, put it away so like the message, wring out the rag, just bring it out and fling it away. Yeah. I can't see Guys, so now we are approaching. Let's look on the look at the places.
Watch a road, Kilo.
Better careful, you know.
Remember the house there, like that is nice.
I miss Questy.
Yeah, right there, so.
Questy, I know.
Right there, so.
Jaja. Yeah, what better, Peter?
No, go west.
Share the grove.
Share the grove. Bravo, share. No, me try. Carrot bomb. Does it look like this? I can't even get one video for car.
Middle stop.
The car.
Middle stop.
Really?
Middle stop is him.
Hills and Valley.
tell us a lot of people them, yeah?
When you come like come one time we man from some man from don't wait there. Wait there. But then they don't get off. Yeah. Come on, where we go on.
Fine, man.
That's the party also. Go on, we can't come back and come.
Yeah, well, can't walk, but come there.
And then what a brother, wait.
Come over, come.
Judy!
Yeah, Frost, what go on?
Judy! What go? Oi!
Yeah. Oh, the shop gone.
The shop
Yeah,
gone.
there was Cyril house there.
Cyril house there gone.
Yeah, it got look one Cyril house. Come here, we didn't stand there. Yes, I get the blood tight, you know.
I just...
You ready for junction over here?
Eddie, may I go down in the shop another day?
Just the pan, I got it. I got it.
And I swear. Should I drive it up?
Bring up the window, bring up the window. Bring up the window then.
Should I drive it up?
But at least we not make a panic.
Alright guys, so I'm here. Oh, go on. Ross.
God, cousin, I realize.
Oh, go on, cuz.
Blessings are nice, man. Big up, man.
Ah.
One team, though. Dream team.
Good, man. Big up, big up, big up, man. Big up. All is well.
Yeah, man. You know, we'll see them.
We'll see them. We'll see them. Blanche Wilson.
Like man Shirley, Joan,
where they at?
They're related to those people that are done by would that place the name before you touch the Buffets? No, Brighton.
Brighton, okay.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I think we are family.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm follow you on YouTube and D-Mango.
Okay. But remember saying a pure family up here, you know. So the whole are we related, you know.
Yeah,
you know. Like
where
it.
last time again? Yeah, indeed cook lobster one day.
Marvin,
man.
Yeah. Marvin.
Yeah, man.
Because so we'll see your mama and your grandma. Oh, go on.
You see, if you gone by the road, you come already, you have to say no life don't gone.
Keen on this?
Yeah. Keen look different?
Yes, man, you look different to me, Keen. Long time I don't come here.
Sorry for go on.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Really sorry for
all right, then.
Boss, what go on? I'm a seller Robbins river.
Fly up the pan him. Fly up the pan him. I'm saying I bet you back to boy like a back again. So me say back me. We are done here today.
You know you are there today.
Yeah. So everybody there, everybody in the community.
Hey boy, I'll tell me to suck me woman. Nobody knows. So I know me supposed to be somehow belong at school. Some boy there. I ain't talking, you don't say for me. But I him talk bad and me say, boy, let me come up, can me fly up there fast up there and say, make up for me.
Perfect. At them place, we sleep and stay, you know, when time coming up on holiday, you know. Yeah. And the family on the next side, the in-laws as well. They lose the whole of them house as well. Yeah. And the house we sleeping at many times. You know? Yeah. Over here, so it's pure family around here, so, you know.
It's a great feeling to come.
When they, what they mean, I show the throwback video.
Everywhere go, everywhere.
Cause, I call you and I get you.
Phone the top pick up, man. Phone the top pick up on one part, isn't it?
One of the people, we respect everybody for coming out.
Yeah, for him, I try to get the people on our side down. Sir, style. I tweet it.
Yeah.
How much organization you guys from? Which organization you guys from?
How much years?
Kingston. Keen Life in Jamaica.
So, we want to have right in our district. Are you distributing our district stuff or no?
Yeah, we are distributing.
Come here.
What go on? You know, pick up a hoe. You know, pick up a hoe. Hello.
Oh, go on.
You still not pick up how?
Yeah, man.
How? How?
A tweet up.
Oh, So tweet there. Yeah. Yeah, can we bring some care package and them stuff there,
So we get a package. We blow down in a man.
Yeah, man, so that's the thing, man. But we want the people them come on so we can start give them out and thing.
I'm not park, no?
Yeah, park up, man. Jack said them place that run up and down.
Yeah, you can see what
There's a little road.
Yeah,
But them house there, see. We go look on the house up there, sir. Joke.
The Monday you were saying, come and look at Emerald.
Perfect, this is our house, our sleep a lot. And the next one around the corner around us, but it blow off as well too, you know?
Yeah.
Blow right off. Randy! Aye. I can't show the grove this at all. Yeah. Shady Grove.
Shady Grove.
Yeah. Shady Grove. Charger. You can see all the way back. Look at this, the roof gone. Cause here we used to have a roof here. Here's the living room. We used to sit here. Look at the floor. Look at this, guys. God. I think this is Wendy's room. Cousin here, Wendy, this is her room. You know. As you can see, the roof that gone as well, so I put chapel in over it as well. Oh, so you can imagine how inside look. You guys, as you can see, chapel in all over. So the whole of this damage, you know.
Yeah.
The next moment I come in with the thing.
Yeah.
You know, all that tree was my chill spot right underneath this tree. Yeah. Right underneath this tree was my chill spot. Jaja. Come in. Please. Right, the place. I'm waiting for my next family to come up as well too. But we want to have some people they up on the hills them and them places. We want them come down as well. Yeah, before we start give out anything. So they can see the people them start to come out, guys. You know.
Yeah, man.
Big up.
Yeah, and you forgive me something. Are you sure?
Yeah, man, okay. I'll pick up the pieces and I'll bring it up.
Take out the concrete up now.
Yeah, man, bring them going up.
Yeah, man, I'm going to go and stay.
How you stay here,
I'm going to stay here, so
Sarah, so yesterday we thought we come in here, yesterday we stay up there, so. Yeah, and the next house they run the hill around there, but that blow down completely. So yesterday we sleep most of the time we come down here. And the next spot they run there, so. Blow down. So myself father.
Yeah, we see him.
So far, there.
Alright, go on. She eat there. Yes, I used to have a shop, you know. One shop there right here, so. Yeah. And the shop. Gone. Gone.
Fish head. Mike, where's my Mike? Tweet some.
Kino,
yes man. Yes man.
I'm myself father, this, you know.
Yes man. Yes sir.
Say that you not go far, just go
Well, go Carla. Well, go Carla.
On the car, Rafi? You see the car, Rafi?
Yeah.
Whole house mash up. Huge. Yo. Whole house mash up. The chicken then did that. No boy, people, wanna look, nothing no left. I'm a good yard, watch out. Oh God. Sasha, you know something left for a long time. Finally sitting now, you don't think that. Sasha, you can't not take a signal, not take a yo, I hear one mash up dog. This man.
I'll do two of them. Because them have the water as well too.
Take your time.
Time to fly.
Driver. Back. Oh, I'm trying to walk me back. I forgot to work with the door.
The door we have to work with?
Yeah, I have to work. Yeah, they walk me back to it back.
Yeah. Okay. Because when you give them a care package, you want to get them a water as well, the big water. Yeah. So we can use the big one. Okay, we'll give them one. I like for them on the floor. You have to keep them on your feet. You take out the one. We've got to work on the side or so? Oh. Are you about this?
No. The race bag, you know.
Oh. Alright, so look on. Alright, I'll give them a bag. Yeah, go in our bag and you can get one a big bucket of water as well, yeah? Pass what the bag then. Yeah. Like we empty this first. So 30, I am 30. Prefect.
Yeah.
Boom, bring a case of that coming right here, son. Give them one. Give them one. Shara, look up. Whoa.
Where get the bag?
Alright.
You want to get the bag? I can't get a see me.
Yeah. When you get the bag, then
so get a case of water and bring come here, sir.
Yes, brother.
Yeah. I could just do it organized, yeah?
Yeah, man. Where line there?
From the side.
Jamari.
Let's do one line. Hold on, Sharon, hold on. Get a one line. Jackson, hold on. Forget that one line.
our line there.
Hold on. Work with the line, yeah? Go to the case, get a water. See them.
Love and respect. That's the same thing there, you know?
Yeah, man. Rafe. Liquor, don't stretch it down there yet and then get the bag first before somebody gets to us. Yeah. Yeah. Just stand there. Yeah. When we're done with the inner, so we'll just come on there. Yeah. No, we should wait down there, let them get the group back first. Yo, we have some clothes as well too, if anybody interested in our clothes. It's in the bag here, so we'll have to go through them. Yeah, man clothes in there as well. The bag right here, so. But we'll have to spread it also, because a good clothes, new clothes them.
Well, I believe
baby pampas wipes, baby pampas.
On the next trip,
Which part in it?
Them two bags there. Open the bag.
Bomba, last word,
Put it on the grass, put it on the grass. Put it on the grass.
Them big water, they all them have.
So we have more groceries.
Give them two and look at water there.
Yeah, can give them two.
Let me get one back to Cindy.
Yeah, get a tall one as well. So give her a tall water.
And a water.
Cindy. Eh? Sure.
Respect our man. Kid if you get bandits too.
Yeah.
Big up Dream Team, one team, yeah. DJ Frost said that.
DJ Frost.
Big up
every time.
I'll be spread them out, fans.
We're not a chop all, we can spread them out, man.
I got them. Yeah, you should have do, you know.
Should have a chop all, we can spread them out, man.
All the sweater no pass the talk out there, you know, mama. If you want sweater, you take up it.
Yeah. Rafi.
No, but a shot, you know. I know.
One shot, that?
Then, you know.
Give me that now.
A man shirt, this?
Give me.
Frost mother.
Why you not say Frost mother?
Mommy. The Frost mother, yeah.
No, she don't.
Mama road this up.
See another bag here. See another bag here. Open this.
Apparel, yeah. Straight man, the cool youth. Oral.
Oh. Big up. See another bag here.
Alright, give me a look.
Gino Bambino.
How many do you call this year? In December.
This is Gino Bambino. Oh. Rafi, my uncle. Uncle Rafi. Uncle, I go on. Why, me you go on star?
Yes, brother.
Yeah, give them two, yeah. Hold them two, yeah. Hold them.
Give him back the bag, give him back one.
Yeah. Rafi, the house gone, Rafi.
How do you, man? The house gone, man. No.
Rafi, go on and go look.
Yeah, go there.
Yeah, one go look, man. I have to look on it, man. A foundation, you know.
I did ask the road, sir. Look on the hill.
Yeah, let me see it, boy. I have to go on there.
Sorry. So you can leave some.
Back can open now?
The back.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Can't open.
Oh, scenic.
I'm get a shirt, the father. Father, I'm gonna get a shirt. Man shirt, the man shirt. Man shirt.
And those don't make them go up on the ground, yeah?
Yeah, that.
They get groceries?
Yeah, man.
Miss
You're still there, man. Me left one. I think somebody collect one here. She was here. See mama there. You see her?
Yeah.
Size 6. Oh, look for one size 6.
Yeah, I think.
What size you wear? 6? Ah, come.
Mama, look for Miss Aggie.
You go school? You go school? What's your name? Eh?
Black River High.
Black River High, you go?
I can't fit it.
Things can't fit you? I'll make you try it first, yeah? Make you try it. I'm not have my socks. It's one plastic, yeah? Put your foot in that plastic. Match on the top.
It's alright,
Are you there? Alright. Mama. Oh. Mama, how would you like it? Mama, how would I get the bread?
Yeah, I see him. Wrap it, them, make put them back there. Wrap it. Oh yeah, a bag there.
Oh,
wait no. When we are going to say the next day to wrap it.
Who have young kids?
Enough young kids there.
Some top here, some vest. Young kids.
Boy, something.
A girl.
Boy, let me see. Just give me two.
Boy, see boy.
Are you unisex?
One next one.
That's a party, man. You don't move.
Another size.
That one they have sleeve.
Huh?
Yeah, I have sleeve at two different ways.
Yeah. Package them down to this?
No.
We have package. When I get package, when I get package yet? Come now. When I get package? Is that a case of water done?
Yeah, we'll rest for them.
So, give one of the tall case. Give me two same, yeah? And give one of the tall case, same, yeah?
Yeah, them out there, mama. Mama, we don't do a peanut put them out.
What that?
You put them back in there.
They get grocery already, right? You get grocery already?
Look feet up here.
No matter.
Look feet.
Somebody got in the top.
Which top?
On top of our shop. You need right part. Some fish. No, sir. Up it there.
Eh? What size are we here? Eh?
Yes, you know, come out no time, you know, so I didn't have to sort my papa go back and send it to this man. So I said, I couldn't get one bag, but I give it to him.
Yeah, that's why I get a bag from there. So.
And me give it to him.
I'm going to check and see if I have more.
Kind of come out now.
Yeah. But you have light? You have solar light?
No. To get somebody and a good them at them.
Well, they don't hold each other.
No, they're not.
They are one of them hold each other.
So what go on general?
Yeah, man. Jeez. To me, can't remember you again.
Kino.
Them ratted, man. One of them big and tall on me, man. That one. And you remember me and me down? One of them.
Rafi, come here, Rafi. Baja, come here. So I'm going to get this from one of my donors to open this. Rafi, from that side.
Kino. All them going to
yeah, Winston.
You don't want to say one, me tell you.
Take it out of there. Take it out of plastic.
Okay, set up different.
Esther! Shaka, get the flashlight then for now. Get the flashlight for now.
Plug in that music.
Yeah. It's somewhere on the wall. Oh, yeah. So,
I just have to turn up.
Yeah. So, you can see the... Yeah, but it want energy.
It
wants sunlight.
I don't get on in the key. Bigger one, you know. I like them the part of me and son. Put it on a light them for me and son, and I swear all them or something. A big one, any light.
Oh yeah, we never have enough of the solar them, you know. Yeah, well, a flash of the LED, yeah.
The minutes on the fire. You have a media girl, I'm gonna get. No, man, I take it back.
You want to solar before you
go. Everybody I can get, but the money I really want. No, you just get a flashlight.
No, I'm not get the father. Father, I'm not get the money. I'm not get it. Give me light.
When you Winston on the solar.
Father, I'm your son.
Winston.
Give me film, brother.
Like this? Hold on, check and see.
You little one.
Winston. That one you're charging port. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's the way it's charged.
Alright. Charge one.
Phone. Yeah.
Like have one too.
You have one?
You know
Alright. Yeah, man.
No, we don't get it.
It's like, that's not my back, man. Wait, the back like, they're not this. No more light, no English. More light for left. I left in it. You know what is? What is? It's charging. It's charging. Let's go. There's a charge.
Yeah, man, you mean this way?
This way. The charge. This one. This is how you plug in the USB and the charge. No, let them done. But this is how we can plug in. You make it get sunlight from here, so plug in your USB charger and that's the charge.
Charge something like
that. Yeah. Charge your phone, charge anything. Yeah, them finished. The solar them finished. Yeah, I'm not shoes in there. I'm not no more shoes in there. So. Yo. Let them done.
You know, no more.
Give Winston something out. He wants to like a while ago.
No, just done. Them done. Them out there. Like end up.
Yeah. One section of t-shirt.
Give me a t-shirt and a father, man t-shirt.
Yeah man, take out and give me.
Yeah, so I got to change me and my son and homeless right now. We don't have home and we start build back now or nothing. Some of them ask if we could do a little pocket change. As you can see, 4 away in a storm, blow down in the house. Me, 2 sons them, and my baby mother, she get injured, so she like the storm make we break up or nothing. Me don't know about that still. Break up her, but me don't assess her car. Him and just 2-year-old December, in December, 5th of December, you see me? And things, so I say, we can give me a little donation, and give me a bigger please and thank you.
Yeah man, I'll give you some before I go, yeah?
Yeah man.
Alright. Daddy will come. Jamaica.
Everything my God, the more that I appreciate you, I love it, said we hear my father.
Yeah.
I really like it. I love it, so you have to say it.
Yeah man, that's alright.
Keep this street and keep the dogs out.
Yeah man. Yeah, one of the big water, I'm around there, so go for one of the big ones. Let me give one of the big water. Go with them and give you a big water. You get back already?
Yeah, me taking a fragrant too. I see other people them come hang it.
Yeah, so the people them.
I did like me did man.
So guys, you can see the people them coming down from off the hill. Yeah. They're coming down from off the hill.
Someone come back so let them
Go. Come here, sir. Sit here. You. Sit here, my general.
Right. Enough respect. Yeah. Every time. Yeah. Mommy, get her ready.
Yeah. Come here.
Alright, thank you very much.
You're running down the hill?
Yes. You and others.
You come beside.
Thank you, sir. Juliet, how you get
up? You still have bag in here, sir, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. How much do you have, sir?
One more year. 5.
So where you go, mama? You send me your mommy or your mommy?
Give the kids them some water. Give the kids some single water. Some small water.
No, you must say mommy going back.
Give me one.
Give me 2 little water. Yeah, man.
I'm still.
She don't feel so good.
You get water already?
Yeah,
She'll lie down.
Esther.
Don't drink that, Esther. Just drink it.
Water to us a kiwi down here, you know. Water to... Drop one of the big one. Let me go
Give Rafa some water there.
Stop them.
When them are come, I remember.
Yeah. Man, say stop watching thing here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Patty. Let me get one. You get grocery item, General?
Yeah, man. I will touch your post down the road.
Let's go. Baja.
You want to choose them? Say a good one, man. So I'm pants, yeah, man. It's match the bush too. When you go in the bush, then you can't see it.
So you see it, mommy, you say? You see it, grandma?
You get grocery? No. Boom. Give my bag then. One, give your bag.
Yeah.
Get the water, give him water.
You know your life, I'm answer you. You're not me. So me no want to.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.